Hey everybody, it's me Sissy back today with an unboxing and a first impression and demo of the new Cricut mug press. I just got it in the mail today, so I'm going to get it all opened up and I'm going to try it out and I'm going to let y'all see how it works for me for the first time. And this is not sponsored by Cricut in any way, though. If Cricut, if you're watching and you do want to sponsor me, I love Cricut. So anyway, stay tuned and let's make our first mug. So I have got my Cricut mug press installed and turned on and ready, and I printed a little sublimation print using my Sawgrass sublimation printer. There's lots of different printers you can get that will do sublimation. Now I'm going to take my design. And I took my mug. This is a sublimation mug. Cricut has their own brand, but I didn't buy a Cricut one. I bought one off of Amazon. And I'm going to use heat transfer tape, which I got off of heat resistant tape off of Amazon. I'm going to use that. And we're going to tape this design to our mug. I'm sorry for the cramped conditions here. Had some issues with this mug press that I didn't know about, and I'll talk about them at the end of this video. We're just going to center our design, making sure that we have the design level with the bottom of the cup. And then I taped one side, and then we're just going to pull it really tight. Making sure we have good contact with the mug, and then we'll tape the other side. Okay. And then I just have some parchment paper. I actually got this parchment paper at the Dollar Tree, and I am going to wrap that around my mug also. The Cricut mug press has a green light on the top. When it's green, you put your mug in with the handle facing out towards you, if you're standing in front of it, but straight ahead, and you put it down. And this is supposed to be idiot proof. It judges the temperature of the atmosphere, the temperature of your mug. You just press this lever down and it will do a countdown, and when it gets through, it'll beep and let you know. So I'm just going to cut the camera off now. Okay, and come back when it's finished. We've got our mug out of the press. I've let it sit and cool down for about 15 minutes. It's still a little warm. So we're going to just pull off our sublimation print and see what we got. So we've got a cute little coffee mug with all my sister's little pups on it. Her little man, Miss Mousie, and Niblet. So I think it turned out really cute. I'm going to see if we'll make some more and see how they turn out. Notes about the Cricut mug press. I like it. I think it's a good product. It's a good idea. It's easy to use. You push a button, it's fine. It's easy to set up with your computer, but that's one of the things that I have a little issue with. I don't understand why it has to be connected to your computer to use it. It is no computer. I mean, it's one button. But anyway, the thing is that it has to be on a heat-proof surface. It has to be plugged into an outlet, not a power strip, and it has to be connected by a USB cable to your computer or your laptop. I have a desktop computer in my craft room. It's not going anywhere. I can't move it. I can't relocate it. There is no outlet near it that I can plug this into, and the USB cable they gave is this long. I think for $200 they could have given you a slightly longer cable. I really think they could have included a Bluetooth connection in this. It would have been much better, or no connection at all. But I do think it's a good product. It is really easy to use. I'm going to use it some more, but that's my first impression of it. I was a little frustrated when I couldn't stretch the cables out long enough to get it connected to my desktop. So then I got my tablet, but you can't register a mug press on your tablet or your phone. It has to be a desktop or a laptop. So I borrowed my son's laptop to hook it up, which is very inconvenient. So I'm going to have to either rearrange my craft room, or I'm going to have to purchase another cable, which, I mean, I know it's not a lot of money, but you know, Cricut could have done better. But anyway, y'all, I really do like Cricut, and usually they're right on the money. Their products are really good, but that's one little issue I have. But anyway, I still love you, Cricut. That's it. So, where'd the mug go? I think it turned out really good. I didn't use Cricut Design Space to design this. I used Silhouette Cameo. No, what is it? Silhouette Studios. I used to have a Silhouette Cameo, but then I changed and I got the Cricut Maker. But I still like their software a lot better than Cricut's Design Space. But anyway, this turned out really good. I do need to work on my colors a little bit. I must have had my settings off because there's a little bit too much red in the background. But anyway, y'all, Sissy can do it, you can do it too. So get out there and craft, even if it's late at night, because y'all, it's really late at night. But I just couldn't wait to play with this. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.